Hello, Oliver. What's up? Not much. I'm just going out with Norman. The reason why Dennis can't go because he's at the gym. So, you're spending a day with the Diesel. Why a Diesel, for God's sake? James, shut up. Well, Oliver, I hope you have a good time with Norman. Thanks, Edward. See ya, guys. See ya. Oh, James, you might want to move. Why? Going to run around the point switch. Say what? Look out! Okay, we couldn't think of something to go with the crash, so, here's something odd. A entire 148 people coming out from an upstairs window. Wait, what? Someone played a prank on me. Right, that's it. I'm gonna see them and give them a piece of me mind. By the way, we played the script at the very end. Hello, Oliver. How was your day out? It was absolutely... First, we had to go and see Rio 2, when really I don't like going to see kiddie films because there's a lot of kids. Second of all, we had to go to the entertainer, a toy shop, and buy a doll. Next, we had to go to a candy store and had to buy every single American sweet. Then we had to dance to kids songs, and I'm never ever doing this again with a Diesel who wants to do child stuff, and that is that. Okay. You said you would do this for me, but this time you didn't. I hope you're happy.
Dude, I am sorry.
You said that last time. Oh, I thought I was it. Why are you honest? Take that and that. I'm gonna rip your leg off. You
I'm sorry.
Yeah,